Welcome back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking program, guys. It's amazing to be in the kitchen. Well, today we want to make you a lovely recipe. It's a Jamaican dish and most Jamaicans love it, just like myself. I was born and grew up in Jamaica. Anyway, today we want to make you Jamaican Callaloo rice. I do get the request and I definitely want to make it, guys. And today is the day which I'm going to make you Jamaican Callaloo rice. Enjoy the recipe, subscribe to the YouTube channel. Please write your requests below and leave your comments. Get a copy of my cooking book on Amazon. The price won't change. It's your price. And thank you so much. And it's amazing to see that you guys watching the video and leaving your comments. So thank you one more time again from Chef Ricardo. See you next time. Bye-bye. Nice and lovely. So I'm going to just explain to you all of my ingredients which I have right here with me. First of all, I got a small can of Callaloo. Basically it's just, I'm gonna say probably 280 gram. It's a Jamaican thing, Callaloo, and basically make you guys see exactly what's going on right here. We all know what we are talking about right here. So far this is the Callaloo and is the tin one, which is very good. So I'm gonna use 1 tin of Callaloo and roughly quarter can of sweet coconut milk right here. This is the coconut milk, half a white onion, fresh thyme, spring onion, scotch bonnet pepper, 1 cup of rice, and half cups of water. And also we're gonna put some butter inside of it also, just to give it flavor, and a pinch of sugar and salt. So let's go into business with this Callaloo rice today. I'm really excited, guys. All of my ingredients, as you can see: Callaloo, coconut milk, rice, water, butter, white onion, spring onion, and also some fresh thyme and a Jamaican scotch bonnet pepper. We can't leave out the pepper, and the pepper is very important. So let's go into business. So first thing we need to do, we're going to put the camera straight inside of the front pan. Look at this, guys. This is a secret. Nice and lovely. So right here, this is my little medium-sized front pan right here. That rice pan which I'm going to use. I'm not going to make a lot of Callaloo rice. It's just simple, a little bit of Callaloo rice. First of all, I'm going to pop a roughly teaspoon of vegetable oil inside of my little front pan right here. Basically I have it on probably about 2 minutes now, so it's pretty hot at the moment. I just cut up my white onion and I'm gonna pop it straight inside of it like this. That's the white onion, that's the spring onion, and some more white onion also. Lovely. Simple. Salt take off this roughly about 2 to 3 seconds. The only reason why I'm doing this, sometimes some people cook it different, some people put the water instantly, but that's giving a my little secret and my little idea where do works. So salt take off the veg roughly about 2 to 3 seconds now. Nice. Second thing, I'm gonna add roughly half cups of water. I know this is a little bit too much white onion, but that's fine. You can work around it. Nice one. So we have half cups of water inside of it. Nice and lovely. We're gonna put some Callaloo inside of it now. This is roughly 1 large spoon of Callaloo. And just a little bit more, because I'm not making too much rice, so I'm just making a little bit. Then next we're gonna put some coconut cream milk inside of it, roughly quarter cans of coconut milk, because the coconut milk is the key for the Callaloo rice. Nice one. Put some fresh thyme, that's another piece of fresh thyme inside of it just to bring up the flavor. Scotch bonnet pepper. And also we're gonna put some butter. Just a teaspoon of butter. So, if you want to make a lot of callaloo rice, all you need to do is double your ingredients. And also, teaspoon of sugar. Well, if you don't want to put sugar, you don't. If you're allergic to sugar, or you don't want to put sugar, you don't have to. Little bit coarse pepper. That's some pepper. And also salt. Half teaspoon of salt. So the salt, you can always put salt and taste as it goes along, guys. Nice one. I put roughly 1.5 large spoon of callaloo. Basically, I'm gonna put another spoon of callaloo inside of it because it's callaloo rice, and the callaloo is one of the most important things, just like the coconut milk also. Nice one. So basically what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cover this and make it boil up for roughly about 3 to 4 minutes, and then we're gonna add the rice. Nice. So as you can see, steam's coming out. That means it's boiling. Lovely and nice, and that's look really lovely inside of the pot, as you can see. Because I'm not making a lot, I'm just making a little bit. Nice one. Basically you can cut your onion a little bit smaller. My onion is too chunky, but that's fine. You can cut your one a little bit more smaller, and that's looking lovely, so nice inside of the pot. Next, I'll just wash my rice, and now I'm gonna add my rice to it just like this. One cup of rice. Yes, because I washed my rice and it was there sitting. This rice which I'm using is very easy to cook. It's basmati rice. It's one of the most easiest rice in this world to cook. So basically I have to take some of the water out, because I can tell you that the water is a little bit too much. So what I'm going to do now is simple. Take a little bit of the water on the inside of it. Sometimes you can be right and sometimes you can be wrong. So, as you can see, looking lovely so far. And I'm just cooking a little bit. One thing with callaloo rice goes really well with barbecue chicken, or with fried chicken, or with some stew beef, or you know what I mean. It goes really well. Nice. So as you can see, you want to see the rice and everything one time, because the rice which I'm using is very easy to cook rice. So you can use the rice where you normally use to make this, but basically the callaloo rice is just to add the callaloo. The coconut milk is one of the key, and it's just beautiful, guys. And I'm telling you, I didn't even taste it, but I'll tell you something, this tastes nice because you can see the thickness, and that's what you're looking for, really thick. So beautiful. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna leave this for it to cook for another good 10-15 minutes on a medium size heat. Enjoy the recipe. Nice and lovely. So look what's going on right here. Wow, look at that, guys. That's looking, first of all, we want to move this pepper, you know what I mean, the scent of the pepper do steam out inside of it already. Beautiful. So let's move the scotch bonnet pepper, and then simply use a fork and simply just rake up it like this, because this pot is a non-stick pot, so it's really good. Basically you can add more callaloo if you do like, if you want your callaloo to be rich inside of it, you can add. Let's move the thyme. Nice and lovely. Basically, as you can see, exactly where Chef Ricardo is all about. with the Callaloo rice. So this will be a benefit to you, and enjoy the recipe. Subscribe to the YouTube channel, and please leave your comments if you like the recipe. Straightforward, very easy and simple to prepare at home, guys. Nothing complicated. So as you can see, the 1 cup of rice, this can share for roughly about 9-10 people to your amount of rice. So it's just only 1 cup of rice, guys, but look at that. It is a lot of rice. So let's give it a taste. I didn't taste it before. Really nice. And the beauty is, I'm just tasting the coconut milk. Beautiful, guys. So as you can see, guys, because of the kind of rice I'm using, basmati rice, you can use your kind of rice back home you normally use, but as you can see how the rice look, not too sticky, not too dry, it's just perfect. So as I say, I did add half cups of water and 1/4 cups of coconut milk, but because of the veg and everything, it do make it swell. But as you can see, so basically I'm just gonna give this another 3 more minutes and it's gonna be ready. Nice and lovely. So now this is finished, as you can see, looking lovely and nice. So guys, enjoy the recipe. Please leave your comments. So this is finished. I'm gonna share it out into a bowl and make you guys see exactly what I'm talking about. Turn off my stove. Nice one. So let's see exactly what's going on right here. So if we're simple, scrape out this nice lovely rice right here like this, guys. I want you guys to see exactly what I'm talking about, because the only thing why I'm doing this, because I'm using a non-stick pot, guys, and tell you something, this non-stick pot is really good. Yeah, really nice. 1 cup of rice. That's the beauty. The best part of the rice, I'm gonna tell you, is this part, the bottom part. This is the best part, you know what I mean? When you scrape out the pot bottom. When I little boy back in Jamaica, I remember those days, man. Oh man. When my grandmother give me the pot to wash, I'm telling you, I have to scrape it out. I'm not gonna chuck that in the bin. Now times and things change, and you'll never find me when I eat that anymore, but I still love it. So, guys, as you can see, the Callaloo rice looking lovely and nice, and exactly that's what I'm talking about. To make a nice, lovely Callaloo rice at home is just, you know what I mean, really nice. The taste and everything is perfect. If you do what I did, so take off your onion first in the pot and then you add your water, I'm telling you, because anytime you're cooking and you salt take off anything before, tastes different. Never tastes like our normal person. This Callaloo rice is amazing. I taste it, and honestly, you know what I mean, I'm from Jamaica, and I'm telling you, not because it's me cook it and, you know what I mean, I know the recipe, but I'm telling you, it tastes so lovely. The coconut milk, the pepper, everything just come together. Put a little pinch of sugar and also inside of it. It's beautiful. The scent is, just enjoy it, guys. Leave a comment. See you next time. Bye bye.